Now let's discuss regarding the testing for insecure direct object reference, IDOR. So IDOR means allowing unauthorized direct access to file or resource on a system based on user supplied input is known as IDOR. So this vulnerability allow the bypassing the authorization check placed on such file or resource. So IDOR is just a result of unchecked user supply input to retrieve an object without performing authorization checks in application code. So in short, here is the one image. You can check it out. I found from the Google. So for example, here no vulnerability. So assign a user one to record one means dedicated assign the privilege or file or resource or system are able to access the specific users. So here is the no IDOR vulnerability. But if any malicious user able to access any user's data or any other's resource or any other's system resource, so this is called as a IDOR, insecure direct object reference. So let's do the practical for that. Now just we are opening our lab. First log out from the okay. Now just we have to check the IDOR. So IDOR okay. Now source viewer. So from the source viewer page, using the default file selected in drop down menu, so upload hyphen file.php, click on view file. Okay, so now we are able to get the file upload hyphen file.php. So just in this practical, we are just changing the file path. We are changing the upload hyphen file.php. So let's on the intercept request. Okay, now just click on that the view file. So now we are able to that request here, post request here, and here is the source file path. So here we will change the php file is equal to .php file using some wfuzz parameter. Let me check. Wfuzz GitLab word list injection any for example just not we are using this any one of them. We are just simple replacing the password file. Okay, for example testing purpose we are using this. Okay, so now change to, so we have changed the .php file parameter value. So now just forward that request and intercept off. Okay, got it. So here is the after returning the browser, notice we can see the content of etc password. So to see the source file of upload hyphen dot file dot php, we have intercept that request and changing the parameter value. So after that, we are able to get the system's etc password details. So this is the one type of IDOR vulnerability. So due to the lack of proper authorization check on the PHP file parameter within the application code, so we are able to view the privilege file on the system. So developer and system administrator privilege access control and check prior the revealing the sensitive files. So when these access control are missing, IDOR vulnerability are must present. So uh, this is the one type of IDOR vulnerability. So in this practical, we have done the direct access to files or a resource on a system based on user supply input. So we have just access the unauthorized access to gain the etc file by changing the parameter value of upload hyphen file dot php file. Okay, thank you so much.